Hey, man. Okay. Alright, thank you. Have you noticed those guys there?
Good day, this is Safercity. What is your emergency?
Good day, ma'am. I see two suspicious guys here. One is wearing a black jersey and a white jersey. They look very suspicious. Can you send a tactical team for me, please?
No problem. We do have your location. I'll send out the tactical response unit.
Thank you.
Get down, get down, get down, get down, get down. Hey, stay down, get down, get down. Stay down, get down.